Jesus take the wheel and let the spirits guide me. What have I bought now? Well, I haven't actually bought anything. I had it given to me. No, actually, I think I'll take you around the side first. Okay, so there you can see a Miele G646 SC Plus turbothermic dishwasher, and next to that, what have I done? It was free, and there is no way on earth that I'd pay 1 penny for a brand of this machine. Let's open the boot. Dearie me, I am a glutton for punishment. Let's get this out of the car first and we'll take a closer look. So there we are, they are now out of the car and put here. This is the instruction manual for the Miele dishwasher. Let's just pop that down to the side. On-off button. Wash, rinse, dry in, end, start. That indicates these are the different programs. Handle under here. That's got a fan. Let's open it up. So there we go. Soap compartment. It's a bit stained. There we have the rinse aid. 3 drawers. We've got the first drawer. Now they are not collapsible, but that one is, which is good. And we have the handle then for the middle drawer, and we can higher and lower that. There's a rack here. Okay, that's the water arm for that down there. I didn't see. Oh yeah, there it is, yeah. And then we've also got this cutlery drawer. Now that seems to be coming out at an angle. Why is that? I don't know, maybe it does that so you can take this out, carry your cutlery away. Very nice machine. Unlock it. Take that out. Unlock it. There's the inside of it. Not too bad. The lady said that she didn't use it that much. Seems okay. Lock that back in. Put the arm back on. Salt compartment. That is going to need some salt. Let's put the salt and rinse aid into it. Okay, so I got my salt. I've got this from my Indeset. I'll use that to fill up the salt. Oops. Wow, that was definitely empty. Just pop that in there. Now, I'm going leave it set at 3. I'm now going to put in the rinse aid. Oops. Oh, that's empty as well. There we go, rinse aid's full. Let's get a dishwasher tablet. Okay, so I've got a finished dishwasher tablet there. Oh, tell you what, I've also got a little bit of this power powder just for this first, and I'm going to put a little bit in the pre-wash. And I've also got some fake Flora, and I'm going to put some in there and in there. Okie dokie, so let's get it plumbed in. Okay, we're plumbed in. What is that? Oh, why did it do that? Let's do a pre-wash and start. Draining out any water that was left in there. This isn't going to be very interesting because you can't see inside it, so. Okay, it seems to be started. Let's have a look. Yep, there we go, it's on. So I'm going to leave it to its rinse. Okay, so the pre-wash finished. It's fine. Let's put it on in intensive just to get it really nice and clean, and then take a look inside. 75 intensive. Okay, and press start. Okay, let's just have a quick open. Yep, heat, steam, open. Okay, let's leave it to it. Okay, so it's the next day, and it's nice and daylight so you can see it properly. Lovely and clean, I have to say. The issue that I do have is with this discoloration on this. So I've got some bleach, and I'm going to pour some pure bleach over this and leave it for a little while and swish it around, and hopefully that will help get rid of the discoloration. So we will see if that works. Okay, so it's been a good hour, and that's definitely lightened it all up, removed some of the staining. Hasn't removed it all, but it definitely does look better. So I'm going to chuck that in there, and I'm going to put it on a rinse. Power would help. Okay, put it on pre-wash and on and start, and just leave it wash out all that bleach. Yep, I'm just filming. Okay, so there we go. I have now loaded the dishwasher. So we have the bottom tray. It glides in and out nicely. Then we have the middle row. Everything's set up. If I have this any lower, it catches on them. If I have it any higher, as you can see, the cutlery tray catches. So even though it's handy, I seem to have more room for stuff because of this tray, but then you do lose a little bit of height. But everything's in. I've got my tablet in there. Everything's loaded up, yes. Let's see if I can shut it. I was trying to explain to my friend that having a new dishwasher is like having a new jigsaw puzzle. When you have your dishwasher, you use it so many times, repeatedly with the same things, you kind of like know where everything's gonna go. But when you have a new dishwasher, something that's completely different, it's like having a brand new jigsaw puzzle. So yeah, get used to it. So I'm going to put this on an intensive wash, and let's press start and leave it and see how it comes out. Okay, so I've given it a bit of a bleachy clean on the outside. I still have to remove that sticker, which doesn't appear to be very easy. Let's just have a quick sneak peek inside. Smells lovely. Still a bit of soap in there. Okay, leave it carry on. Okay, so the cycle has now finished. I've cleaned the vent and I'm going to turn it off and yep, open it up. There we go. Rides lovely and smooth. Look at that, shiny. Let's open this drawer. Fantastic. Ow, hot. Ow. And the cutlery drawer. Yeah, everything looks amazingly sparkly and shiny. Really good. Absolutely chuffed with that. Right, let me get all this put away. Okay, that is everything now emptied out of it and put away, and I am absolutely chuffed with it. I mean, look at that. That's how hard the water is. You just get instant marks on everything. It's only just been a bit of water, but that is all lovely and clean. I'm going to pop it into the workshop and have it in there until the one in the kitchen goes, the in the set, and then this will be put in its place. So it's not going to eat or drink sitting in the workshop. There we go. I'm going to try and find out how I can get this clean. If there's a way of removing this panel to clean behind it, because it doesn't look very nice. It would be nice to have that sparkling clean. So there we go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for that. Bye, y'all.